Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you very easy way for character rigging with Duik Angeli in After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back. I want to show you how to rigging character with using Duik with easy ways. So we have three ways for create icon for character hands. First way with bones, second way with puppet pins, and third way with auto rigging. So for example, I will use this character. Let's select this hand layer 1 and go to solo. Let's click this icon for black background and let's zoom in to layer. Select this pen behind icon, move the anchor point down. Click selection tool and select this hand 2, go to solo and select pen behind, move the anchor point down. Click selection tool and finally select this hand 3, go to solo and move the anchor point up here. Click selection tool and unsolo these layers. So select this hand 1, let's link to hand 2. Select hand 2, link to hand 3 and select hand 3 layer, let's link to body. Okay, select body, let's see. Nice. And select this phone layer, also link to hand 1. Okay, so let's go to window and enable Duik Angeli. If you not see here Duik Angeli, I will add link how to get Duik Angeli plugin. And let's change work area here. And let's click this icon for go to links and select this hand 1, hand 2 and hand 3. Go to Duik and as you can see here, auto rig. Let's click and click ignore and wait for rigging. Okay, that's all. Select this controller and let's see. Nice, very good. And select this body, go to pen behind, move the anchor point down, click selection tool and press R, chain rotation. Nice, very good. So we can create animations with this controller. For example, select this controller here and move it down, press R, chain rotation and hold shift press P, make new position and rotation keyframes and go to 1 second and let's move it up, chain rotation. Let's see. Okay, very nice. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.